Watch this German candidate score a band 8.5 for his performance on the speaking interview. This example lesson is brought to you by aehelp.com. Download our new app, Academic IELTS Help. Look for this logo. And join the world's best online IELTS learning experience. Whether at home on the PC using our website or on the go using your mobile phone or tablet, access the same student account and learn from 6 original practice exams, over 100 hours of video lessons, and a fully interactive course with tips and strategies to get those high band scores. Download the app today and join our premium full course. Now watch and learn.
Welcome to the speaking portion of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test. May I see your identification, please?
Of course, yeah.
Thank you. And what is your full name?
My surname is Meyer. My first name is Leon. You can call me Leo too.
Okay, Leo. Here is your identification back. The speaking has 3 parts. I will give you instructions for each part, and I'm going to record this for marking purposes.
Okay.
For part 1, I will ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am.
What did you do this morning?
I woke up at 6 a.m. and then I started my day off with a 10K run. And then later on I had a healthy breakfast, and afterwards I started to review my notes for this exam.
What will you do in the evening?
I think I will be quite tired by the time 6 o'clock rolls around. And so I will just relax, read a book, maybe watch a show on TV, and then get ready for bed.
Let's talk about feelings. What helps you feel happy?
I think I feel very positive when I get to help other people. That's why I volunteer in a homeless shelter once a month.
How often do you feel stressed?
I usually don't feel stressed often, but if I do, it's usually in one of the rare occasions when I have an exam like this year.
Where do you go if you feel sad?
If I feel sad, I like to go to the gym and exercise for an hour. But as I said, otherwise I don't usually feel depressed much.
If you could do an activity to feel excited, what would you do?
One of my hobbies used to be free climbing. And it was always a huge adrenaline rush for me to face off with a high cliff and to conquer it in the end. So this is one thing that I would really love to do again.
Have you ever felt terribly frightened?
Yeah, I have, because I have a huge fear of English exams. So in situations like this, that really terrifies me.
That is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here's a card with some questions. Please keep that face down.
Okay.
Here is some note paper and a pencil.
Okay.
You will have 1 minute to look at the card with the questions, think about your answers. You may take notes in the 1 minute if you wish, and then you will have 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Okay, then your 1 minute preparation time begins now. Go ahead and turn over the card.
Okay.
To see many more videos like this one, download our Academic IELTS Help app today from your Play Store on Android or Apple. Watch over 100 hours of amazing videos with strategies and tips, including 6 original practice exams and a fully interactive course. Our app integrates with our website. You can use the app on the go or access the same My Student account from your computer at home at www.aehelp.com. Join our premium full course today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch more videos. Click right here. Or click our IELTS Hero for over 100 hours of complete video lessons and 6 original practice exams to help you pass IELTS.